During your final year at the university or currently running your master's degree program, I must say congratulations for making it this far. We've come all the way and now it's project season. Let's be honest, this is the part where most students freeze. We've had scary stories of how supervisors keep rejecting project topic, how students get embarrassed at defense and have to start their project all over again, or how students keep running about with their project work even after graduation. And you're probably thinking, where do I even start? What if I fail? What if my supervisor's wahala is too much? Listen, stop stressing. Your project is not here to disgrace you. With the right guide, you can crush it and enjoy the process. So let's get started. My name is Olanrewaju Ahmed, and for over 5 years, I've been helping final year and master students turn their research fears into distinction level projects. Over the years, I've seen students panic, cry over chapter 4, or even get embarrassed in their stunning expensive attire at the fence and have to start their project all over again. But guess what? The students who follow my step-by-step breakdown always finish strong, with confidence, with clarity, and with the result they can proudly defend. And that's why I started SPSS Academy, to be the hype man and the guide you need on this research journey. Here is what's waiting for you when you roll with us at SPSS Academy. You will learn how to pick and refine your project topic so that your supervisor can approve it faster. How to design methodology, collect and analyze your data like a pro with Excel, SPSS and Stata, even if you've never touched them before. How to write your chapter 4 with confidence, not confusion. Avoid the 7 deadly data analysis mistakes that trap most students. And most importantly, you walk into your defense confidently knowing that you've got this. This is not about finishing your projects, it is about finishing it well. To kick things off, I've got a free ebook for you. This ebook alone will put you ahead of your peers before you even start chapter 4. So here is the move. Click the subscribe button and turn on the post notification. Grab your free copy in the description below or in the pinned comment and join me every week as I break this research journey into simple G-style steps that you actually enjoy. Final year, masters, this is your season. Welcome to SPSS Academy. Let's finish strong together.